welcome to F&SYamaha and Marine in Hanover, Pennsylvania, Northeast's largest express dealer and one of the largest express dealers in the nation. I'm Andy, I'm the express guy here at F&S. If you contact us, I'm more than likely you'll be speaking with me. If you're not familiar with us, check us out at our website at F&SYamaha.com. Very active YouTube channel, F&SYamaha, Google listing and Facebook listings. We have a great reputation that we're very proud of. We have people from all over the nation that buy boats from us, and we appreciate it. This video is coming from the Express Dealer Show in Hot Springs, Arkansas. And this video I'm going to show specifically the new T-top that's going to be available on a bunch of the models. And that's what this video is specifically about, the new T-top kit. So Express designed a T-top in-house to fit just their consoles. And it's going to be available on the X23 bay, not the lounge, just the bay, the XR21, the H24, and the H22. It'll be available only in this black color. See the black fabric up top there. We'll include the rod holders in the back, stern light. See there are also lights underneath, they're lit up there. Grommets sewn into the fabric for rods. And there's also a light bar in the very front. That's all part of the T-top. Also part of the T-top, I'm going to jump in. This is an X23, by the way. There's also an XR21 next to us. These, all the models I mentioned, all take the same console, and that's why it's only available on those models, because it's designed specifically for this console. You'll see why here in a second. As you see, it is integrated, and there's a bunch of reinforcement brackets, and it's bolted on everywhere, inside the console and onto the floor. So this has to be ordered from Express with this. We cannot add it after the fact. See a little bit closer there, the grommets that are sewn in for the rods. Rod holders. The light bar up front, you can get that a little bit closer look at that. It's really cool too. This light bar has these knobs on it that are like quarter turns that are super easy for it to turn. You don't need tools to turn it. Also, when you get the T-top package, you get lights in all the compartments. That was without the T-top, that's a separate option, but with the T-top, all the compartments have lights and the live wells have lights, like previous boats. Of course, the front live well. See the light in there. Also, with that package, a lot of things get blacked out. For instance, rod holders, even little things like that light is black. Cup holders, cleats, and as you see, a new leaning post, which is basically just blacked out. It's really not much different than what we had before, but it is blacked out. But previously also too, to get the extreme stainless package, which was a separate package, to get rod holders, leaning posts, steering wheel, and whatnot, all stainless, you had to order as a separate package. When you get the T-top, it comes, all these things are blacked out, stainless, but comes with the T-top package. You see this steering wheel there as well. Also, too, the dash piece is an acrylic. It's not a carbon fiber plasticky look. It's actually an acrylic. Looks a little fancier. It is not, though, available with stainless push buttons. You have to get the standard push buttons like this one has. Even things like the grab handles there are blacked out. A lot of little stuff. As you see, too, this has nothing to do with the T-top, but there is a new pattern on the C deck this year as well. And like I said, right next to us is an XR21 bay. It is definitely much nicer than an aftermarket top, such as a Striker, but it's quite a bit more money too. And I'm gonna, each customer, I'm gonna do an exact price comparison at some point, but it's very nice. But also too, freight is quite a bit extra on this boat too, which is a downfall. It's not Xpress's fault, but on a normal load of boats, when we get them from Xpress, we get 4 to a load. Well, this one takes up 2 spots on the truck, so it's going to be double freight, but it's nice. I appreciate you watching. If you don't mind, like this video, subscribe to our channel. It helps other people find us. And check us out our website at F&SYamaha.com. And feel free to shoot me a line with any questions on this boat or any other boat. We do boats all over the nation. Like I said, we're a stickler with service. That's just what we are here at F&S, and you'll see that with our reviews. Well, thanks for watching. Have a good day.